Yo molweni namkelekile nonke kwezichisa be-entertainment azininzi indaba zakwamseleko guys andazi noba ndizoqala ngeyiphi shiye AP but I think because uMakhumalo is already trending masiqale sidingide indaba yakhe already made a video regarding into yakhe noTatomseleku who 100% feels like uMakhumalo is where she is today because of yena ke utata uMseleku now and benfuna sithethe about other things that are trending about la episode leyana that is number 1 indlu kaMakhumalo. I'm sure most of you we saw a structure ke sendlu kaMakhumalo ngaphandle. Now the wives have come forward to share that guys ezizindlu ezina zintsha number 1 and secondly people need to understand that the time sasithengiswa ezizindlu ngoTatomseleku it was in such a rush. We were rushed. Yeah, understand. There was no time into ba maskethe between this and this. Umntu wathatha loo ndlu so that ezozilungisela. So it's just a handful of people ke abathi indlu kaMakhumalo abayithandi istructure sayo ngaphandle 1.1 although besithi inside it's very beautiful. Khona ke naba comparisha indlu kaMakhumalo with indlu kaMacele eyaphi Seapark. Yes, with indlu kaMacele Seapark. uMacele currently has 5 houses, okay, as it stands, right? So ke i-viewers ziyakhomperisha zithi yo uthandiwe uMakhumalo or is it because ungumuntu ozisebenzelayo umhlawumbi uye wazifakela imali because she is the third wife and guess what? The views are viewing more than the first wife's house. You understand? uMacele, yes, naye indlu yakhe ingaselwandle but the views are not viewing like ke ezikaMakheyi. uMakheyi you can literally see the ocean xa usesitezini sikaMakheyi. So abantu ke bebedingida loo nto into ba uMakheyi her house is leading nge-views and nobuhle ke obuphi obungaphakathi because obviously i-structure abasithandanga i-structure sendlu kaMakheyi ngaphandle. Also I must say you guys, like I said, Makheyi and Mayeni's houses ngaphakathi Aishem, they 100% look absolutely beautiful. So let us move along from ke uMakhumalo sike sidingide into kaMacele and uLasborn uKhokhobelon wethu Makhwela. Now kukhona ke amahemhem. This was an article that was originally published by Uleli Londi phayana ke on Facebook. Waye wafumana ke isource ethetha ngento ba ingathi uMacele has surrendered indlu yakhe yaseSiphakhi wayinika ke uMakhwela. Uthi ke usisi unjani weLondi cela ungifihle uMacele bought a brand new house eMtwentweni washiya iSiphakhi kuMakhwela benzile iye end emzini wakhe omusha. So iye end party yenziwe phi? Yenziwe endlini kaMacele, the brand new, the alleged brand new. Hey guys, senteta ingathi nyani ke ngoku le source is telling the truth. The alleged brand new house ke kaMacele ephi esemtwentweni guys. Uyachaza kube uMtwentweni and Seapark are not really far apart. It's like 10 minutes drive from Seapark and uMtwentweni. Or you can even find that Macele's new house in 20 has the beautiful ocean view njengekaMakhumalo njengoba abantu sebethethe kangaka nje. So ndabona ke some people were really not happy about the fact that uMakhwela as engumntu omtsha, number 1, she's still young and she's still new in the relationship. Unikwa indlu yomntu ekudala wahlala kuyo. Obviously she's supposed to be given, or rather naye ake ahambe ayothi property viewing. Uyabona nje abe excited about that, angavele anikwe indlu yomntu that has been married to uMusa for more than 20 years. Mna guys, I don't wanna lie, ndiyabeva what the people are complaining about. I wouldn't be excited if my husband would give me indlu your first wife. I don't know if I'm making sense. Like that would not excite me. There are also people get abati. You know what? uMakhwela needs to watch out. This is Isthembu. Now we obviously don't know intoba how uMakhwela was gifted lendlu lena. Was it in writing? Was it legally then moved to her name? Yonke lonto asiyazi inkcukacha yayo into ba how it went on about. But people are really scared for uMakhwela, saying that Sisithembu esi one day uMusa Mseleku uzosweleka. And then what if Kesana uMacele wants back indlu yakhe? This is not safe for uMakhwela. Also, many viewers think intoba it's not safe for uMakhwela, and abanye ke bayagxeka intoba hayibo, these wives are literally gifting uMakhwela with all the old toys. You know, why uMakhwela engahambanga naye ake ayohlala eMzumbe? Why a exception yena ezothi eqala nje ukuhlala kwaMseleku abe ehlaliswa edrobheni? Khona ke oyi-one ke iviewer ithi this is obviously Musa's plan. Where does uMacele get money to buy a house? Number one, uMusa decided to buy another house so uMakhwela can have hers. For sure, uMacele wanted to jump to the new one and suggested leaving that one. Aguna gifting la. Another house was a must to be bought, as all the wives have houses outside of Mzumbe. But an exception could have been made because uMakhwela is still new, guys, don't you think? Like, akahlale nje eMzumbe for 5 years, then later on, we understand athengelwe ke ngoku umzi. Masibaleni ke guys, uMacele unomzumbe, uMacele abe nesipark, that's true. Aphinde futhi abe nesite. You'll remember from the last season, unesite kwaNositha. uNositha is in Margate. Futhi uzowakhelwa lowo mzi lowo ngumzi wasezilalini, because she said yena akasathandi ukuhlala eMzumbe. Now uMacele unomzi eMtwentweni, 4 houses. Tell me if that is not greedy, Kesana. But anyways, whatever uMacele wants is what uMacele gets, you guys. So obviously khona ke nabanye abantu that are saying, wow, uMacele yazi unenhliziyo enhle, making way for uSamke and allegedly gifting her indlu, shows that uyamthanda nyani, while others are of the view that she is only doing that to spite the other wives. Asazi ke guys, asihlale enhlizweni kaMacele. Only uMacele knows intoba is she spiting the other wives, okanye she's doing it from the bottom of her heart, or whatever the case may be. Now, in closing, I also wanted, please do let me know your thoughts again with stories Macele no Makhwela. What are your thoughts? And in closing, benfuna nje ukunithi va kancinci about uLwandle, who is Macele and Musa Mselegu's firstborn son. Nam ndafumana i-inbox over the holidays ke uthi umntu, yey sisi, uLwandle ndimbone ehamba no Sisiza apha bephusha itroli ingathi uSisiza just gave birth. So this is the alleged girlfriend of uLwandle Mselegu, and they seem to be quite happy together. So yeah guys, nazo indaba zehora. I cannot wait for izingane zesithembu. Hopefully uLwandle, that is where ezosibonisa ke the new girlfriend or alleged baby mama. And yeah guys, your thoughts must get engaged. Ends on Bona shortly. Bye guys.